Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit a text in Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our website or into our Squarespace account, and you will find ourselves in here in our workspace. Now let's say I want to change some stuff. I'm sorry. That I want to edit a text in the first option in here. So in the first website, I'm gonna click on go to website and it will take me into the editor. In here, I want to click on the edit, which is on top of my screen. Here, as you can see, there's a couple of options already in place. And let's say I really want to change the text of this one. If you want to change every single font on your website, I already showed you in a previous video how you can do everything at once. But let's say you feel a little bit adventurous and you want to change this one. So I'm gonna double click inside of this text and you see it's already, we can change the heading, we can make it more bold, we can align it a bit and really edit it to our liking. We can also click on design, we can add a background into it, we can add a padding or many more, but I don't really like this is horrible. So don't forget to just click on undo buttons as many times as you really want to. And yeah, you'll get back to the previous option. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.